Restas in this song, dub echo rolling through the sound. I feel Jah presence all around. Now the night falls soft and to the heartbeat of the land. Every leaf whispers your name. Every drop of rain sounds the same. Sweet reggae breeze, carry me away to the time where love will stay. No more sorrow, no more pain. Let your music heal again. Roots of my heart, they never fade away. I keep on singing through the break of day. Freedom inside, it's the reggae way. I'm dancing to the roots of yesterday. Fire in the drum, rhythm in my soul, dub echo rolls, making me whole. Sister of the sound, I'm feeling high under the stars of a Kingston sky. spirits rising as we greet the day. Child love will never fade away. Through every storm we find a way. Roots grow deep where the truth will stay. Sing it loud, child love today. Sister moonlight on the ocean wide, guiding my soul through the ebbing tide. I lift my voice to the skies above. Every note a message of love. Child love will never fade away. Through every storm we find a way. Roots grow deep where the truth will stay. Sing it loud, child love today. Love in my mind, echo in my heart. The rhythm and the spirit never drift apart. Feel the bassline rolling slow and clear. Jah vibration draw me near. Now the dawn